Alright, so today we're going to be doing a birds of prey breakfast sandwich. And if you have not already gone ahead and seen the movie, that's alright. It's not like it's necessary that you see the movie. But this is one of the sandwiches that Harley Quinn eats within the movie. And I thought might as well come home and recreate it because she made it look so tasty. So first we're going to start off with 2 strips of big cut bacon. And we're going to let that cook up. Then meanwhile, while that's cooking up, we're going to start with our ciabatta bread. Now, like I said, if you haven't seen the movie, that's alright, this isn't that much of a spoiler. I went and actually saw it yesterday. And I gotta say, great movie for another DC movie. I gave it 4 stars. But this sandwich alone, when you go see the movie, I will say, if you're not making your breakfast sandwiches like this, like, you're not living your best life. And here, we're all about living our best lives. So once we get the ciabatta bread cut up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take us some butter. And to be precise, it doesn't have to be special butter. It just needs to be butter. So we can toast this up. And once that's done, then we're going to go ahead and make sure that the bacon gets cooked up nice and well. Alright, since our bacon is already done, we go ahead and take it and put it on some paper towels and let the oil drain off of that. And then we'll start on cooking the ciabatta bread. So we're going to take both sides of the ciabatta bread, buttered down, and just put them in the bottom of your pan. And get them grilled up. That's all it is to that. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to smash that like button down below and subscribe so you can get updated each time that I drop a new episode. On top of this, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed seeing me cook something from a movie. I've got several other ideas, and if you want to see them, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. I watch a lot of cooking shows. Not cooking shows, but I watch a lot of movies that have cooking in them, and I wouldn't mind doing them. Plus, my fiance just got me the Bob's Burgers cookbook. Alright, so the bottom should look something like this. Definitely want to have that crunch. Yep. And we're done with that. Set those aside and get ready to make the eggs. So for this, I'm just melting a little bit of butter down in with the bacon grease. There wasn't a whole lot of bacon grease left, and I just wanted to go ahead and melt some butter with it. And don't forget your salt and pepper. So for this in the movie, they just pretty much made these sunny side up. So we're just gonna wait till the yolks get a little harder and some of the whiteness, or some of the egg white around the yolk also, as you can see right in here, to harden up as well. But we also want to make sure that we can keep them with runny yolks, as they did, to keep it as they did in the movie. 2 slices of American cheese. When that cheese gets nice and melty, it's time to make the sandwich. First, we're going to start with the ciabatta bread. And then we're going to add our strips of thick cut bacon. Our eggs. Whoop. And last but not least, not too much, but just a little bit, just like Harley liked it, a little bit of hot sauce. Any hot sauce will do. Valentino's is what I had in the fridge from the leftover wings, but that's what I had, so that's what I used. And that's the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey breakfast sandwich from the movie that's currently out in theaters. I highly suggest people go out and see it. Great movie. And if you enjoyed this sandwich and you want to see me do a twist on it, go ahead and smash that like button. Because I've got chorizo in the refrigerator. I got some nooks and cranny in the refrigerator. I'm going to make the best breakfast sandwich of all time. Breakfast of Champions when you tune in next week.